Yo, what's up everybody? It's Wes and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of cybersecurity. Think about it, we live in a digital world. We're online constantly, whether it's on our laptops, phones, you name it. And with all that digital activity comes digital risk. In this video, we're breaking down the basics of cybersecurity, why it matters so much in today's world, and the top 5 cybersecurity threats you need to be aware of. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button because things are about to get interesting. Alright, let's get right into it. What exactly is cybersecurity? In the simplest terms, cybersecurity is like the digital immune system for our devices and data. It's all about protecting our systems, networks, and everything in between from those digital viruses we call cyber attacks. These attacks come in all shapes and sizes, but their goals usually boil down to a few things: sneaking into your system to get their hands on your precious data, holding that data hostage for ransom, or just wreaking havoc and disrupting everything. Cybersecurity is how we fight back. It's the security guard that stops them at the door, the antivirus software that's like, nope, not today, and the password manager that's basically Fort Knox for your logins. Think about it, every time you're online, you're leaving a digital footprint, right? Your browsing history, your online purchases, even just scrolling through social media, it all adds up. Now, imagine someone getting their hands on all that. That's why cybersecurity is so crucial. It's about protecting your privacy and keeping your digital life, well, yours. It's about creating systems and practices that make it way harder for those bad actors to do their thing. We're talking about things like strong passwords, being cautious about suspicious emails and links, and keeping your software up to date. So, whether you're a tech whiz or just starting to dip your toes into the digital world, understanding the basics of cybersecurity is more important than ever. Okay, so we've covered what cybersecurity is, but why should you even care? Is it really that big of a deal? Short answer, absolutely. Cybersecurity isn't just some abstract concept, it directly impacts our daily lives in ways we might not even realize. It's how we bank, shop, connect with loved ones, even control the lights in our homes. All of that is vulnerable if we don't take cybersecurity seriously. On a personal level, falling victim to a cyber attack can be a nightmare. We're talking identity theft, drained bank accounts, and that sinking feeling when you realize someone's been snooping around your personal files. And it's not just individuals who are at risk. Businesses, big and small, are prime targets for cyber criminals. Imagine a scenario where a company's entire database gets hacked, customer information stolen, financial records in disarray. It's not just a PR nightmare, it's a financial one too, potentially putting them out of business and impacting the livelihoods of their employees. But here's the kicker. Cybersecurity goes way beyond personal inconvenience or corporate headaches. It's about protecting the very fabric of our society. Now that we've covered why cybersecurity is so important, let's take a look at the top 5 threats that are lurking in the digital shadows. Alright, now that we know what cybersecurity is and why it's so important, let's get down to brass tacks and talk about the top 5 cybersecurity threats you need to watch out for. First up, we've got phishing attacks. You know, those sneaky emails or messages that try to trick you into giving up your personal information. They might look like they're from a legitimate source like your bank or a trusted online retailer, but don't be fooled. Always double-check the sender's address. Look out for any typos or grammatical errors, and never ever click on suspicious links. Next on our list is ransomware, and this one's a real digital hostage situation. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts your files, locking you out of your own data. The attackers then demand a ransom, usually in cryptocurrency, to give you back access. The best defense against ransomware is prevention. Keep your software updated, be cautious about suspicious emails and attachments, and regularly back up your important data. Speaking of malware, it's number 3 on our list. Malware, short for malicious software, is a broad term that encompasses a variety of nasty programs designed to wreak havoc on your devices and steal your information. The best way to protect yourself against malware is to have a good antivirus program installed and to be careful about what you download and click on. So there you have it, the top 5 cybersecurity threats you need to know about. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay safe online. That's it for today's video on the basics of cybersecurity. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on cybersecurity, tech, and everything in between. Until next time, stay safe online.